guys, here's Madam OK. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being a part of it. If you enjoy watching the videos, please don't forget to subscribe as well as to hit the like button. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye! Hello guys, today I will be teaching you how to draw a cityscape in one-point perspective. We'll be using an image that we found on Instagram, and that will be our loose reference for whatever will happen. You also have to look at this, what is happening if there's one-point perspective used and we decide that looking at this image that all those lines converge into one point somewhere here. This will be our one-point perspective law applied here to this particular painting. So we will have our point, and I will suggest that this point will happen somewhere here. We'll create the road, and I will go with it. Let's see, I want to have it a little bit flatter here on the side. I don't want to go to the corners, so that will be my idea. Let's see, like this, okay? Then we definitely will have to finish the road. So that will be our road, as you can see, receding back into the space. And then we also want to have our building. So create almost like a box here when you look at this. And now from here, we connect the corners of the box with the vanishing point. And notice, we shoot here up to the stars, I call it. Will be very much the same. So that's where our buildings will be placed. Now that in case when we really want to have a building of the same height as this one in the back. I'm not sure that this is necessary unless, well, why not? Actually we can have it. Okay, we will be working with vertical horizontal lines. So according to get the side of my building now, I have to create a wall that is facing us. So what I do, it's exactly I create a rectangular shape using vertical and horizontal lines. See, I have already my side of one of my buildings. Now I want to go and create the side of it. So this is the wall that faces us, and then I'm creating the side of the building. You see here. So this particular line that creates the ground and connects to the, or converges to the vanishing point, gives me the bottom line side of the wall. And also the same with the top line. So here I can place the windows. When I want to place the windows, notice, I can do it very easily by going again from this. I can create first a vertical line like this, and then I can connect it to my point. Here I go there, see, and then I can also go for this window here and there. Now I need to have another vertical line that will indicate where my windows will be. So we can see how the angle changes, but the windows are fine here. So we have two windows already here. If you want to cross them, we can cross them, but then again we have to refer everything, all the lines, to this particular vanishing point. So if I decide that I want to cross the window here, then I have to do it here. Now when I want to create window on the same height as the one on the side, I have to continue the line here, and then right away I create horizontal line. And then I can continue. There's another building here in the front, so what I have to do, I want to leave a little bit of this wall visible, and I go with vertical line, and then I connect my line to this vanishing point again. Notice this building will be a shorter one. So that's the other building coming here in the front. And where's this building? It's exactly there where I have my lines. Voila! Now, I don't see the top of the building because my vanishing point, that means positioning of my eyes, is below top of the building. But I can create here the window. So again, I can create one line here. Let's see, you can have two windows. I can actually put one there. And I will have another somewhere here. Actually, this should be okay. And then I can decide how will I place them. One here, the side of the window, and then the other one will go here. We have already two buildings. perfect. So I hope that you enjoyed working with me, and then if you want to apply the color, of course you can. But just the idea how the buildings will look like, this is the one-point perspective that you have to follow creating a cityscape. Have a good day and see you next time. Bye!